A patient starts a new antidepressant. A few hours later, they become restless, they are sweating, the heart is racing, muscles start twitching, the legs begin to shake uncontrollably. This can look mild at first, but it can become life-threatening very fast, because this is serotonin syndrome. Hi, this is MadMax channel. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, it is really supports the channel. Today we are talking about serotonin syndrome. This is a dangerous condition caused by too much serotonin in the brain. It is usually happens after starting a serotonergic medication, increasing the dose, or combining multiple drugs. Serotonin syndrome common causes include SSRIs, SNRIs, tricyclic antidepressants, mouse inhibitors. Also trazodone, mitrazapine, buspirone, lithium, and even some over-the-counter supplement like St. John wort. Let's go step by step. The first key feature is mental status changes. The patient may be anxious, restless, or confused. They may feel agitated and unable to stay calm. Next is autonomic instability. The heart rate increase, blood pressure may go up, the patient sweats a lot. They may also develop a fever. Now here the most important part. Neuromuscular findings. This is what helps you recognize serotonin syndrome. You will see hyperreflexia. Reflexes are exaggerated. You may also see clonus, which is a rhythmic involuntary muscle contractions. For example, when you flex the foot, it starts to beat rapidly. Patient can also have tremor and muscle twitching. Unlike neuroleptic malignant syndrome, the muscles are not rigid, they are overreacted. This is a key difference. Another important point is onset. Serotonin syndrome develops quickly, often within hours of medication changes. Now, what do? First, stop all serotonergic medication immediately. Second, provide supportive care. Give oxygen if needed. Start IV fluids. Monitor vital signs closely. To control agitation, benzodiazepines are commonly used. In moderate to severe cases, cyproheptadine, serotonin antagonist, may be given. Cooling measures may also be needed if the patient has a high fever. Early recognition is critical, because severe serotonin syndrome can lead to seizures, arrhythmias, and even death. For NCLEX and clinical practice, remember this: agitation, sweating, fast heart rate, hyperreflexia, and clonus after serotonergic drugs equals serotonin syndrome. This is an emergency, but understanding it should not be complicated. If you think this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe so you don't miss the next video. This is MadMax channel, medicine made simple.